together. So you can see that we got a set of verb and a set of adverb. Okay. So what we need to do is to match them together first. Okay. First of all, we can add wait. What would be the adverb we can use with wait, everyone?
Adverb wait.
I cannot hear you, Bong. Again.
I never seen adverb wait, teacher.
Huh? The adverb that we use with the word wait, wait, Bong.
Sorry.
Wait patiently.
Recently,
Can you say that again?
patiently, teacher. Just a guess.
Hey,
Wait
patiently.
patiently.
Okay.
Patiently, yeah.
Yeah. All right. One moment. Okay. So wait patiently. Okay. That's good, Bong. All right. How about love? You love someone?
Love deeply. That's wrong.
Deeply. I have no idea. Love.
I think love deeply too.
And love softly. Softly. One more thing.
Softly.
Okay. So one more time. Love. What was it?
I have to answer teacher. Love deeply and softly. And the
Softly.
book correction. Yes.
I never heard anyone say love softly.
I just guess.
And I wouldn't say you cannot, but it's weird, right? So
Love passionately.
love deeply, okay, acceptable, okay. Love softly, unless you are being, how would I say, treat that person well, okay, something like that. How about behave? Behave,
Behave badly.
behave badly. What does behave badly mean?
It means he has bad behavior,
Such
not
as?
good behavior.
Bad behavior or bad manner. Something like that.
Can you give example of what is a bad manner?
Okay, please give us an example.
I'm so sorry. I have to speak. So sorry.
Anyone? One example of what behave badly is? No?
No, teacher, I'm sorry. Sophia and Kim Ho and Sophia Nassau, please.
What does behave bad? What is one example of a what does it mean to behave badly?
Um, hello, teacher, you hear me?
Yes.
In my idea, I think um for some if someone go to in coffee shop and he speak so loudly and don't care people around him, that's badly behave.
That is right. Okay, but not from my idea, from in my opinion. Okay, all
Yeah.
right, very good, not too hard, relax. All right, that's what behave badly is. And how about shine?
Brightly. Brightly.
Shine brightly, very good. Okay, what fight?
Fight bravely.
Fight
Fight.
peacefully.
Fight bravely. Okay, all right, so fight bravely, you know, even though you know you that you even though you know that you will lose, you still fight. Okay, let's fight bravely. Good. And leave.
Live
Leave
peacefully.
sudden.
Live suddenly.
Leave
Move
suddenly.
peacefully.
Yes.
Suddenly.
Leave fully.
Suddenly.
Leave smartly. Maybe
Suddenly.
leave suddenly. Maybe leave peacefully. Could be. All right, I could understand that. Right, leave. He leave suddenly. That mean, you know, without telling or without signaling, he just gone. All right. Or leave peacefully. That mean ចូលមកហើយដល់ពេលចេញទៅវិញចេញតាមសន្តិភាពអត់មានបង្កជាចំនួនអីទាំងអស់ Okay, good. And whisper.
What does it mean, teacher?
What does it mean,
Whisper
whisper?
softly.
Softly. What does it mean, whisper?
Softly.
Yeah, teacher,
This is a new for
I
me,
did.
teacher. Whisper. What is it?
Yeah. What does whisper mean, everyone?
Mean to say something very low.
Yeah, that's right. So you get to someone's ear and then you say it in a low voice. That is whisper. You got it? Bong Pukau and Kim Hong?
Whisper.
Yeah, teacher. I got it.
Yeah, teacher.
All right.
Right.
Okay. Die.
Peace.
Die peaceful.
Die
Peacefully.
peacefully. What does it mean, die peacefully?
Die suddenly.
ស្លាប់ដោយសន្តិភាព
Die
ស្លាប់ដោយ
suddenly.
សុវត្ថិភាព
Okay, what does it mean, die peacefully?
Without
die
pain.
die without harm to other person, to other one.
Die without harm? No.
Without breathless or painful.
Yeah, die without pain or, you know, without problem, you know, without guilt, without issue. You just die, right? Okay, that's die peacefully. Okay. ភាសាខ្មែរហៅថាស្លាប់បិទភ្នែកចិត្ត Alright, if you can't die peacefully, it's like ស្លាប់បិទភ្នែកមិនចិត្តអីចឹង something like that.
នាគារចឹង
Okay, good. So rain.
Heavy.
Rain heavily.
Rain heavily.
Heavily.
So rain softly មានអត់
លៀងលំ
rain softly យើងបាញ់ខ្លួនឯង Okay, so dress.
Dress badly.
Dress
Smartly.
badly. Dress smartly. What does dress smartly mean? ពាក់រៀងមិនទេមិន dress smartly.
Very, very, and very fit. Very casual.
dress smartly, it will refer that someone dress fit to the other situation.
ចឹងវា
Someone
depend
will
on
we go to work?
situation.
Yes, depend on the situation.
So that mean going to party also dress smartly. like a club and the situation. So what kind of situation is dress smartly?
I mean that when we join the party, we use a dress that fit to the party. But when we go to work or go to the workshop, we have to dress like a businessman like this.
Kind of party are you talking about? Like,
Yes.
what kind of party are you talking about?
Nothing like drinking, like dancing or something like that, like birthday
So,
or wedding or something.
how about like going to the club and so on? Is that also considered as party?
The party also, yes.
Really?
I'm not sure.
So what dress smartly then? Bởi dương tới club của dương dress smartly, dương tớiធ្វើការក៏ dress smartly. Okay. All right, let's check. So this is what dress smartly looks like. Okay. All right. No one go to club looking like this. All right. So it's like you dress for work. All right. So that's called dress smartly. Okay. So you're going to work and so on. Okay. More like appropriate. Right. ពាក់ទៅវាសមរម្យ យើងមើលមកថាសមហ្នឹងហើយ dress smartly ទៅពាក្យសមហ្នឹងមនុស្សយល់ខុសគ្នា Okay, so speak, everyone speak.
Fluently.
Speak fluently.
Just
Speak
speak fluently.
fluently ហ្នឹងហើយ ឥឡូវ speak fully យើងយល់ Okay, speak itទៀត
Speak softly.
No need, no need. How about speak bravely?
Speak bravely.
Bravely.
It means that we just summarize, not declare something.
តាក់ទងមួយ summarize វិញបង bravely.
I think that speak bravely refer to we just speak summarize something, not detail, right?
Brief. I mean,
ហ្នឹង
brief.
briefly ហ្នឹងបង
Oh, sorry.
Brave.
Brave.
Okay. បើបងយក bravely មិញខ្លីៗ fight bravely ហ្នឹងវាយខ្លីៗ វាយមួយផ្លែតចោល Okay. No, bravely ក្លាហានបងវាយយ៉ាងក្លាហានណាចាញ់ក៏នៅវាយដែរ Something like that. Okay. គ្នាគេច្រើនក៏វាយដែរម្នាក់វាយទៅ10អីហ្នឹងណា
Bon nhân tha got experience.
Experience. Okay. All right. So what speak bravely mean? Huh?
Confident on something when you speak to someone.
Okay. No, it's more like យើងហ៊ាននិយាយពីប្រធានបទអីមួយ Okay. All right. Like that's what speak bravely. Okay. យើងហ៊ាននិយាយ
For example, we can speak related to politics in Cambodia like this.
Something like that. That's what speak bravely mean.
Oh my God.
Right? Okay. Don't hold back, right? Just speak. Okay. How about speak passionately?
Passionately.
What does speak passionately mean?
Bon nhân tha.
ឥឡូវខ្ញុំចាក់វីដេអូឲ្យមើលមួយហើយបញ្យល់ខ្ញុំណា speak passionately មានន័យថាម៉េច Okay. speak មែនទេ Greta Thunberg ស្គាល់
I would say that it's very understandable to feel overwhelmed because
not that one. The old child. This one, right?
my message is that we'll be watching you. The ocean. Yet you all come to us young people for hope. How dare you? You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words, and yet I'm one of the lucky ones. People are suffering. People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about.
So what do you think speak passionately means?
Strong emotion.
That's right. Speak from your emotion. Okay. What kind of emotion does she have?
She feel like angry.
Like
He don't like some.
yeah, right. Okay. Yeah, that's right. That's what speak passionately. For example, if you like engineering a lot, and whenever you speak about engineering, you speak with passion. You sound like you are so interested in it. All right, that's speak passionately. Right? Is your speech shows your emotion. Okay, good. And breathe.
Breathe deeply.
Breathe. Maybe breathe
Deeply.
heavily.
Deeply.
All right. Breathe heavily នៅពេលណា When do you breathe heavily? Mhm. នៅពេលណាដែលយើង breathe heavily? When do you breathe heavily?
Cough. Smoke.
Smoke. When you are tired, all right, you breathe heavily. រត់ម៉ារ៉ាតុងយើងរត់10នាទីជាប់គ្នាមើលបើមិននឹងហក់ Let's breathe heavily. How about breathe deeply? When do you breathe deeply?
Be stress.
Sometimes when our health is not good. Sometimes when like by the way, heart pressure, heart.
Maybe when we tired.
Doctor advise us to breathe deeply.
Okay. Okay, so when you do yoga, right? Cái ao dân breathe deeply, right? Or when you do meditation, they tell you to breathe deeply. Đó là hào mỏi thùng mỏi vàng. Okay. Chứ pra breathe suddenly và nó mà breathe đánh cho lấy sốc sốc breathe. Sốc sốc mean gì vật lang bao nhiêu không? Right. Okay. I swear he suddenly breathe. Okay. Dùng vậy má nó qua sốc sốc lũi đòn hào. Okay. All right. So no, we don't use that. But you can. It is possible. Nhưng ai phở man. Okay. Tao rồi mơ không ngừng come out ấy mình miền. Right, breathe suddenly. Okay. All right. So we got off the words. ចឹងខ្ញុំនឹងដាក់គ្រប់គ្នាទៅក្នុង group មួយហើយ អញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំដាក់គ្រប់គ្នាទៅក្នុង group ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យគ្រប់គ្នាអឺយកកិរិយាសព្ទទាំងប៉ុន្មាននេះ alright ទាំងអស់យើងមានប៉ុន្មាន everyone បើអត់ឃើញ2 4 6
14
10 14 អូខេអញ្ចឹងមកកិរិយាសព្ទមកល្បះអូខេមកកិរិយាសព្ទមកល្បះអូខេ alright one verb one sentence អូខេបើវាមាន adverb ច្រើនអញ្ចឹងរើសមួយមករើស adverb មួយមកប្រើមកអូខេ so with your partner create one verb one sentence okay are you clear with the instruction before I put you into the group everyone
Yes, teacher.
How
Yes,
many
teacher.
sentence? One.
14ហ្មងមក verb មួយ
Oh my
One verb, one sentence. But don't worry, right or wrong.
តោះ alright អញ្ចឹងខ្លីៗ everyone let's go
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Wait patiently. The first one. Yeah, I think the first one is on me. Wait patiently.
Wait patiently. Wait. I think hello hello សុភ័ក្របង
Yes, hello. Yes,
បង
បងសុ
in
ភ័ក្រ
my opinion
Yes, បង wait patient I create. He waits patiently for the result of the exam. What do you think?
he wait patiently for the result of exam.
Yes. I will write the comment. Yes, wait. I'll write on the comment. Yeah, can you see my
For
example?
the result of exam. Yes, I see.
ទេបងមាន14យើងចែកគ្នាធ្វើម៉ានអញ្ចឹងវាស្រួល
Okay.
Yeah.
So បងសុផាន់ you hear បង
Yes.
Nó 14 2 នាក់ធ្វើ5ម្នាក់ធ្វើ4ណាចឹងហ្មងគិតមិនដែរ
Okay. Okay, agree. Oh, we need to write and send to our group or not?
And
we just create it or just discussing, right?
I think we should write in the group. Yeah. ព្រោះរ៉ាចូលឃើញបាន example អស់គ្នាខ្ញុំអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំ5លើហើយបងពីរនាក់1 5 1 4ក្រោមក៏បាន4លើ5ក្រោមក៏បានចែកតាមនោះ Okay. Are you agree?
Yes, I agree. Bung
Okay.
Suphan,
Okay.
any idea, Bung?
Yeah, I'm agree too.
Số bọn anh vô បន្ទាប់ពីសុភ័ក្រមកមែនអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចុងក្រោយ okay? Rennie ខ្ញុំធ្វើពី Rennie Howley ទៅបង
Yes.
Okay បង
Okay.
Dress smartly. speak fluently.
Competition. Yes, I'm done. Are you already?
Yes, I am done too.
Okay, when you already, I think should drop on the comment. We can discuss together.
Okay. Also. Most of student. Most of most for you speaking. Most of student.